Virtual wholesaling time budget plan. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I break down exactly how to spend your time wisely when it comes to virtual wholesaling. I know there's so many shiny objects in there. What should I spend my time doing? Cash buyers, acquisitions, dispositions, marketing, cold calling, SMS, list polling. Like, how should I be able to spend my time in wholesaling real estate? And in this video, I really want to break down exactly what you should be doing in your virtual wholesaling business when it comes to spending your time correctly. Before we get into it, guys, remember you need to smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get in the video.
Yeah, but I can't prepare this time, so
Let's get it, man.
yeah. So after we spoke about the kind of cold calling and all that. So after doing another couple hundred names on the list that I had done myself, still sort of getting the same results. I started just kind of looking into other ways to maybe expand and use my time more wisely, since I am doing this part-time, and I do have a little bit of money I can invest into it. So I'm investing in like a VAs basically for some of the cold calling, to have them cold calling on any day that I'm not able to do it myself, so that I'm staying consistent with that. Also going to be adding sending out 5,000 text messages to all of the lists, to see if I can drum up some business that way, because I know that some people don't like the phone calls or scared to answer the phone. So I'm just trying to kind of diversify what I'm doing. But I'm just like wondering what I know you kind of do a little bit of everything, but would you say that like cold calling kind of has the best results, or it's kind of varies on what you're doing?
Okay. Yeah, so that's a great question. So how to use your time wisely the best in wholesaling real estate. So there's a lot we can do here. So if I want to use my time the best, it would be strictly drawing for dollars and cold calling that list. I can say it a million times. You're virtual, so it's a lot tougher to do.
Yeah.
Cold calling, I would say, is probably the best use of your time. If you do have money, which not a lot of people have the money to get started in this business. So it's an interesting question, because you have two things you can do. So if you have money and you have no time, that's great. Just use money to buy the time. And you can actually buy time with a VA, someone from the Philippines, onlinejobs.ph, and have them cold call for you. Mm-hmm. Because your time right now, Mike, is best spent not marketing. It's the truth. Not even doing dispo. Your time is best spent doing acquisitions, locking up deals over the phone. That is the difference between you can do than anyone else. I can hire someone, but where you're best at right now would be getting deals under contract, since you're doing virtual wholesaling.
Yeah.
So if you had all the money in the world, I would set up a VA to do the cold calling for you. You can pull your own list, and then you are the one who's actually locking up these deals. That's where your time's best spent. Now, if you have no money, but you have a lot of time, how to use that time wisely? You got to do the marketing, and you got to do everything yourself. So overall, I can tell you right now, if you have the money, get a VA and start working on the acquisitions part if your time is very limited. If you have more time, do the cold calling and the drawing for dollars. That's what I could say, and do niche lists. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate, and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.